Oh my God! It finally arrived! Yeah! I got a new teddy bear!
Shiny prize.
You can stay here.
Joy within your eyes, but I am tossed no longer, dear, into the box.
So,
I disappear. I guess my
I've been
time has
abandoned,
come
haven't
and
I?
gone. I'll leave this house.
They don't need me here anymore. I'm leaving.
Walking down the lonely street with dragon threads and weary feet. The world is big and I am small. Is there anyone to catch me when I fall? The snow is falling cold and white. I'm fading in the winter night, unraveled, broken, left behind.
Guys, the first snow of the season is falling.
Huh? What's this doing out here? What's this doing out here?
You picked me up from icy ground. You said
It's okay.
you're safe.
Come with me.
Now you are found. Warm water washing all the gray. You chase the lonely cold away with needle thread and steady heart. You stitch together my broken heart. You make me whole. You make me new. I was lost, but now I see you gave a
I'll fix you
second
back the
chance
way
to
you
me.
were.
No
Don't
more
worry.
snow, no more pain. I'm back to being
I feel just like before. Thank you.
loved again.
You're back. Just as beautiful as before.
The fire
It's warm now.
burns through
You can
this
relax.
world. You tuck me in and say goodnight.
I like it here.
Home at last,
Good night, Judy.
where I
Good night.
belong.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Please.